Hey, this is Barry, and in this video, we're going to go ahead and move on down to the Sales Manager section. Okay, and then we got a lot of links in here we're going to talk about here. Now, orders is just simply going to track the orders that have been completed for products that you're selling through the system using the inbuilt checkout pages. Okay, so there's not a lot to see there. If I just click on orders, you're going to see that there's nothing here, but you can see that the headlines it's going to show. Okay, it's going to show your customer and the product and the units and all the information you need to know when it comes to orders. All right, moving on down from there. We've got our products. Now, when it comes to products, there's a couple things we want to talk about. One is you're going to bring products into the system and you're going to be able to sell them individually through some different ways. We call them our CTA campaigns, which are just basically clickable links so that when you post to Facebook or Twitter, when you post up, people can actually click the post and take them to the destination you already have assigned. Now, collections is going to tie in when it comes to being able to do the carousel style ads. And I'll show you examples of those here in just a second. But collections are going to be multiple products that have been brought into one where you can do, again, a carousel style ad or an inline ad. So you can advertise more than one product in one single post. So to do that, we're basically going to create a collection. You can see here I've already created 3 collections. I'll just show you right here with the Woo. You can see I have 3 products that I brought into this collection. Okay, so when I do a carousel ad, these 3 products will rotate through when people click to the next. Okay, so that's how those work. And to create a collection is simple. You just go here and then collection name, give it a name, click create, and you're good to go. So that way, when you go to your products page, back to products, you have your products that you brought in, and then you want to assign those products to a collection simply by going add to collection, drop down menu, pick the collection that you just created and go ahead and add it to that collection. I've already added these to that collection, so I'm going to do it again, but pretty straightforward. Okay, so collections are going to be groups of multiple products brought into one collection so that you can create carousel style ads or inline ads. And it's real simple to do. Okay, you're going to go back to your products. You're going to create the collection name, come back to products, click add to collection, add to collection, add to collection, and enter the ones you want in there. And you can create as many different collections as you want to, all different types. All right, so moving on from there, we're going to go back to Sales Manager, and we have our customers here. Is going to show us all the information on them. These are people, again, who have bought products through the system. Going back down here, we've got our checkout pages. Now, this is where it starts when you want to sell products right within your Facebook and Twitter account, okay? So when they click the link, it's going to take them to directly to the checkout page. So to create a checkout page, just click on a little checkout page button. You can go ahead and hook up your payment gateway, whatever you want to use there. You're going to do that by going here down to payment methods. I'll just jump over there real quick. And you've got 3 options to choose from. Just click the connect for the ones you want to use and connect them up. And then we come back here and go back to checkout pages. You'll see I have PayPal's already by default, the one that I use. Okay. Then you can go ahead and change the color outline of the checkout page to what you want. And we'll go ahead and then save it. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at what the checkout page is going to look like. Now, when you're selling your product, you're going to see when you set up the product that you bring in and set up the little parameters, you're going to see you would see a picture here, your title here, price, all the things that are important to that particular product. And then coming down, you're going to see the shipping address information. So that way, when somebody purchases your product, they're going to go ahead and fill all this information in. If you set up a coupon code as well, they can go ahead and enter that if you want to give discounts. And then they'll have the total over here. Moving on from there, to just be a matter of them placing the order after they've given all the information they want to do. And when they place order, in this case, it's going to take them to PayPal so that they can go ahead and purchase through PayPal. So really simple, straightforward from there. And this will be connected up, again, if you decide to use the checkout page method. And we'll go through this as I'm creating campaigns. I'll show you each of the different options so you can understand where your checkout pages are going to come into play. But I want to cover everything that has to do with getting things set up first before we go over to start to create a campaign. That way everything makes sense when we get to that point. Okay, so we've covered pretty much everything. Again, orders is going to be the orders that be able to purchase using your checkout pages, products or any products that you're bringing into the system. Let's go ahead and jump back to this real quick. To bring in a product, you can add a new product. Now, these options here are going to be completed here probably by the time you see these videos, and there'll be videos specifically for using the eBay, the Amazon, and Best Buy options here, okay? Or you can go ahead and search and import. I'm sorry, you can, it was by default, it was search and import, add product manually, okay? And to do that, you can just go ahead, I'll use on a Best Buy page here. So let's say I want to market these earbuds, right? So I go ahead and grab the URL. I'm going to bring the URL in here. I'm going to go ahead and give the product name right here that they are. They're Jaybirds views, I think. Yeah, or Vistas. Yeah. So you would just grab like this title here, come on back in here, paste it in this place here. Again, put the page URL here. Give it the quantity is going to be, or the price and the quantity. If there's any tax, shipping, put that in there. Description, you can just copy it from over here. And it's just one way of doing it. Just roll down, grab a description here, copy that, put it into play. And then go ahead and you're going to probably want to download one of the pictures of the product. So you can just do a quick right click, save image as, bring it into your computer, and then you're able to upload it right here. Okay, now that's an easy way to bring in products. Now you can do this, whatever products you want to do. It doesn't matter if they're affiliate products, doesn't matter if they're Amazon affiliate products, anything you want to do, but just go ahead and bring them in this way. And that's just to get things set up. Now, you may not have to worry about the shipping and things like that, or the quantity in stock, because this would be, if you're selling them through our checkout page, it'll pull this data. Okay. Now, if you're just selling it straight off, and again, you'll see this when we go ahead and set up a campaign, you can always just send it straight to the URL. So you can just do simple affiliate products that are being posted on the social platforms, and then the traffic's driven straight to this destination URL. So real simple to do. I showed you how to do the carousel ads. So that's pretty straightforward on all of that stuff. Again, if you have any questions, let us know. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video, and we'll go ahead and get started with setting up a campaign and get you ready to rock and roll here as far as making some money. Okay, great.